Hey, it's Michelle Butt, and it's time for another Fun Fact Friday. And last time we talked about why or how certain facial archetypes may approach putting things off or approach procrastination. So we talked about a sage and how a sage may not like to do a task and put it off because it's too rigid or they're fearful. We talked about a captivator and why they might put something off because potentially it's not fun enough, or they're not in the spotlight, or it's a little too mundane and it's not exciting enough for them, so then they'd put things off. So how, if for example, you are very much a sage or very much a captivator, how would you then go about stopping a procrastination habit? Well, one way for a sage would be to make the approach to the task that you're putting off more creative. Make it something, and the steps that you need to do to accomplish that thing, make it flow more. Make it so that you don't necessarily have to do 1, 2, 3, 4, but maybe you could do 1, D, 2, E, and get it done that way. So give yourself some choice in the steps or the times that you need to complete the task so that you feel that you're not so constricted or restricted, because sages really are about flow and expansiveness, and if they feel too closed in, then they can get stubborn about not doing something, or they could get fearful around it. If you're a captivator, for example, you know that that needs to be fun. It needs to bring you joy. So if the task that you are putting off is too mundane or feels boring or too hard, then you have to find ways to make it fun. So either do it with a buddy, so then you get to be in the spotlight a little bit, perhaps gossip a little bit, get some juice so it makes it exciting, or find a way to make it fun. So, dance around your kitchen chores instead of just standing there getting one done after the other. So captivators are all about fun, and they're also about being seen. So if you can get recognized or rewarded in some way for getting that thing done, chances are you're going to not put it off as much because you want that recognition and you want that spotlight and that fun experience. So I hope that helps to help you understand how each archetype can procrastinate differently, and the solutions to come out of a procrastination habit are different for each one. And yes, there are 3 more archetypes. So if you feel you're one of those and you want to get some insight into your own procrastination habit breaking, then by all means reach out to me. You know where I am, and I will see you next Friday. Bye for now.